Oh my God, are you kidding me? See, this is what I mean, guys.
This is my girlfriend, and this is our beautiful S40 6-speed manual Volvo. And I decided finally, let's teach her how to drive it. As you guys can tell, I am not excited at all. I feel like my clutch is going to hate me after the making of this video, but let's find out.
All right, now pay attention to me. Do not want you destroying my transmission, please. Look, what you're gonna do to start off, you're gonna put your foot on the clutch, right? And you're gonna put the selector in first gear. Now, you're gonna pull the e-brake down. Do not let your foot off the brake though, because you're gonna roll back right away. We're on a slight hill. Once you put the e-brake down and this is in first gear, you're gonna slowly give it gas and slowly let off the clutch. Somewhere in the middle, you're gonna feel like a biting point. I don't know how to explain it, but the car's gonna start to roll. And at that point, give it gas a little bit and just release fully off the clutch. Do not ride the car with the clutch on. You're gonna destroy the clutch. Do not do that. You're gonna just be on the gas like a normal automatic transmission. Okay. When you come to a stop, put your foot on the brake, clutch, go in neutral, and that's it right now. You don't need to learn about second, third, fourth. I'm just teaching you the basics of a parking lot.
Okay. Yeah, guys, we are in a parking lot.
Yeah, hell no, guys. We are not going out on the road. It's going to cause a major wreck. All right. Now, put your foot on the clutch. Put the car in first gear. Yep, that's first. Okay. Take your foot off pull the handbrake down. Put your foot on the brake. All the way down. Okay, that's good. All right, you're going to slowly give it gas and slowly release off the clutch. Do not release off the clutch very fast. Gas, clutch, no. Oh my God, are you kidding me? Gas, clutch, no. Oh my God, are you kidding me? See, this is what I mean, guys. This is why I'm scared, because you see what she just did? She revved it to 5,000 RPM and she dumped it. Like this is Fast and Furious. My clutch is gonna be smoked after the making of this video. I'm trying to teach her so you don't do it again. You put so much gas. You don't need to do that.
How much?
Look,
I'm so confused with gas.
Barely give it gas. Like, look at your RPMs. Like 1,000 RPM. You were all the way at like 4,000. Don't do that. 1,000 RPM and then slowly release off the clutch. You don't need to gas it a lot. Okay, we're gonna try it again. Okay. You have 2 more stall outs, by the way, before you're done.
Okay.
Okay, go, 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 go.
Oh my God.
Take your foot off the clutch. All right, go, go, go. Don't let it roll. All right. Now, make a turn. Make a turn.
Okay.
All right.
I'm turning.
She did it. She actually did it.
What do I do when I want to like go to neutral? Oh my God. Wait.
So if you're coming to a stop, you're going to put your foot on the clutch. And then you're just going to go into neutral. And then you could take your foot off the clutch. But don't do it here because you don't want to stall out in the middle.
I'll park.
Take your foot off the gas. Take it off. Take it off. Okay, put your foot on the clutch.
Oh, put it down on the
all the way, all the way. Okay, right now you're in neutral. Go turn. Okay,
wait, can I take it off?
Yeah, release off the clutch.
Oh.
Okay, now stop. Put your foot on the brake. That's it.
Wow.
All right.
I did
E-brake on. Now, always put it in first gear. Do not do when the car is on or you're going to stall out. Do it once the car is off.
Okay, what do I do?
You see how easy it was, though?
Yeah.
Look. All right.
And then put it
first
in first
gear. You do this so you don't roll. If your e-brake goes out, you're not going to roll. You're in first gear.
Okay.
All right, we're going to try it again.
Okay.
Okay, put it in first gear. Don't let off the brake.
Okay. Wait, I have to pull the e-brake down, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
First gear, don't let off the brake. All right, give it gas and slowly let off at the same time like you did before. Okay. Don't give it a lot because you're on a decline. You could see when taking your foot off the brake. All right. All right, see, you did it. You did it. You did it.
Oh, I did.
All right, go.
I'm still jolting some, but like,
yeah, that's normal.
I'm doing.
All right, and you can give it a little bit of gas. You can feel the Volvo power. Give it gas. All right. All right, now make a loop and then park in a spot again.
Okay.
All right.
Foot on.
No. No. You're in second gear. That would have been bad. But see, you did it way too early. Now you're stuck in the middle of the road. So here's how you gonna envision it. Imagine you're in traffic now and people are flipping you off. You gotta go fast, or you're gonna roll into someone behind you.
Okay.
All right.
Foot on the clutch.
Foot on the clutch. This is down.
Yeah.
Go into first gear. Okay.
Okay.
Once you release off the brake, it's gonna roll back. Remember, you're on a steep hill right now.
Okay.
So just give it a little bit of gas and slowly let off the clutch. Don't give it a lot though. There's no one behind you, so you really, it doesn't matter if you roll.
Okay.
Okay, go. It's not even that steep actually. Oh my God, Victoria.
That was so bad.
You're killing my stomach. Oh my God, guys, she just jolted the whole car.
I was scared it was rolling.
Oh my God. The park is the best place to learn, guys. Do not go on the road.
Yeah.
All right? Your foot's off the clutch, right?
Yeah,
okay, don't ever ride the car with the clutch. That's very bad. Okay.
It's on the other side.
Once you're driving, it's like a normal automatic. I mean, there's no difference. Oh, guys, look at this Corvette over here.
No, it's
beautiful. Beautiful C5. All right, look.
So freaking.
All right, give it a little bit of gas. Don't do what you did last time. You did it way too early.
Okay.
All right, wherever you're gonna decide to park, remember, clutch, neutral, shake it a little bit. No, do not let off. Okay, you're in neutral now. Let off. Okay, stop, because there's cars.
Okay.
All right.
Oh
Put
my God.
E-brake.
E-brake.
All right, you're good.
Yeah.
Now let me show y'all how I drive manual. Put the brake down, first gear. All right. Wait for this Lesbo Subaru to move. All right.
Okay.
You see? But look, show the camera this. You're on a downhill right now. I'm not even on the gas. You don't gotta gas it much. Just do
You're
this.
just on the clutch.
That's all you gotta do.
Yeah.
You see?
Oh my God.
It's that simple. You see?
Yeah.
All right. Put your neutral, let off. That's all it is. It's so simple once you get the hang of it. It's like butter. We're back in the garage. As y'all saw, I'm actually pretty proud of her. She only stalled out one time. However, my neck, on the other hand, is probably broken after all the jerk movements I felt. She did not know how to drive the clutch, but it's okay. It's her first time ever. I'll probably make a short to show you guys how she is in a couple months on the road. Before I let you guys go, a little bit update on our red Volvo here. I know it's been a while since we've done some mods to it on the channel. That's all gonna change. We're just ordered the whole manifold for it. We're gonna go and put a lot of big mods on this car and you guys are gonna love it. I hope y'all enjoyed the amazing video today, and until next time, guys, peace.